Good morning, children. Now we are going to continue about the 5th standard maths as we have completed earlier about the angles. So we know that greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree is an acute angle. Greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is an obtuse angle. And exactly 90 degree is the right angle. And exactly 180 degree is the straight angle. So already we have seen this, everything we have seen in detail. Now we are moving on to the exercise number 1.3, page number 23. So the first exercise, the angles below 90 degree and above 0 degree. Below 90 degree is called as an acute angle. So make a note down in the children, you take down your books. So I ask you to get the books, children. So the schools they are giving the books. So come and get the books, and so that you can easily follow the exercises also. The angles below 90 degree and above 0 degree is called as an acute angle. So is called as an acute angle. This is the fill in the blanks exercise number 1.3. The angles below 180 degree and above 90 degree, 90 degree to 180 degree and the more than 90 degree, that is called obtuse angle. Okay. The dash angle is formed when joining by the two consecutive right angles. So what is the angle is formed if you join in the set square in the geometry box? You might have seen the two set squares. If you join these two set squares, you can see a right angle. So right angle is formed in the by joining the two consecutive. Then an obtuse angle in angle ABC is angle C. Obtuse angle is angle C. Hands of a clock at 3:20. Hands of a clock. Clock la vandu 3:20 time enna angle varumna? We can see see the hands of a clock. 3:20. That gives you, I think that will be the obtuse angle. Sorry, not a obtuse angle. 3 will become here. That will be the acute angle. 3:20, the angle seems to be an acute angle. Okay, children. Then which of the alphabets has a right angle in it? L, K, Z. That is L. And they are given some of the pictures like this for the 7th one, like this. So you have seen page number 23, you can see this. Circle the right angle. So this is the right angle. So it comes straight. So this is the right angle. So you put a circle. The angle shown in the picture, there is one angle. This angle shown in the picture is more than 120 degree, more than 180 degree, less than 45 degree and 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. So 8th answer is 90 degree, you take down. The angle formed by the nail cutter. Nail cutter cut பண்ணும்போது if you cut the nails in the, no? What is the nail cutter? The angle formed by the nail cutter is obtuse angle. Name the angles when the vessels are lifted by the tongs in the kitchen is acute angle. Okay, children. So mark the answers and make a note down in this. So in these exercises the angles will be over. Now we will move on to the next exercise, the numbers. So unit 2, the numbers. You know the numbers 1 to 100. Already you might have learnt in the lower classes 1 to 100, and then from 101 to 1000, then 1001 to 10,000, like that we learn. So in this class we are going to learn about the numbers beyond 10,000. So 100 after 101, 102, 103 like that, 1 if you count like that, it will move on like this. 101, 102, 103, 104 like that, it will go on to 105, then 110. If we count tens, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, then 200. Like the 201, 300, 400, okay? 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. After that again what we will write? 1001. So you should not put 3 zeros for 1000. For 1001, 0, 0, 0, 1000. This is 1001, 1002, 1003. Like this we will write 1004. So only 111 will come. After that 1010 you have to write 1010. This is 1010. And after this 1011 and 1000 I will count by the 20 instance count பண்ணும்போது 1020, 1030, 1040, 1050. Like this it will go on. And 1060 I am counting by tens only. 1070, 1080, 1090 and after that 10,000. Correct? 1,000, 10,100, sorry. Okay, 100. So like this the numbers will be going on. So now we are going to see about the numbers from the beyond 10,000. $2,000. Okay, so like this then 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 like that 10,000 also. Now we are going to learn about the numbers up to beyond 10,000. So here they are given the numbers. So you have to say the numbers and join the pictures. If you join the numbers, you can get one picture. So if you got the book, you can join the numbers and draw the picture. The uses of numbers beyond 10,000. This is the 10,000. 10 put 3 zeros. 1,000 1. Pakatla 3 zeros is 1,000. Here this is 10,000 in real life situation. The price of a television rupees 18,500. Price of a television. What is the price of a television? Rupees 18,500. Then beyond 10,000. So here they are given one sum. So the price of television. What is the price of a television? Is rupees 18,500. Mobile phone. Price of a mobile phone. That is equal to rupees 15,250. Then LPG cylinder rupees 975. Then wooden cot rupees 30,000. So whenever you are writing the numbers, you put the commas according to the digits. The price of a car, the car's price is rupees 4,50,000. $4,50,000. And bicycle, price of a bicycle is rupees 5,250. And the price of a pencil, that is equal to rupees 115 rupees. So they are given the prices of a television is 18,500, ones, tens, hundreds. Or maybe when you are putting the commas, you put the commas, how to put the commas, last 3 digits and then 2 digits are comma put. So 1, 2, 3, comma and then 1, 2. Like that you have to only put the commas. And after that you see that ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So how many thousands are there? 18,000. So cost of price of a television is 18,500 and mobile phone is rupees 15,250 and a cylinder is 975. Only the 3 numbers, no numbers in the front, so no need to put the commas. Then wooden cart rupees 30,000. This is 1, 2, 3 and 30,000. Car rupees 4,50,000. I told 1, 2, 3 digits comma and then 1, 2 comma. So we have to put the commas from the ones digit, from the left to this side only. You should not go put the commas from here. From the starting length you should not put the commas. Then bicycle is 5,250. I'll put the commas here. So then pencil is rupees 115. Now what they are asking you to do is in this price which is more than 10,000, which is less than 10,000. And then the objects and then the things 10,000 ku mele adhigama, more than 10,000 it cost. Which and all is less than 10,000. 10,000 ke keel which are the items are there. Now we will see more than 10,000. This is more than 10,000. So less than 10,000. More than 10,000 and less than 10,000. So here price of a television is 18,500. So padikumbodhu nam eppadi padikrom pronounce, how we are pronouncing 18,500. So 18,000 na 10 ku mele podhu. Number 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 like that solli parunga. 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. அதுக்கப்புறம் increase ஆகிட்டே தான் போகுது. ஸோ அப்புறம் 11, 12,000, 13,000, 14, 15, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000 அப்படி வருது. ஸோ more than 10,000, 10க்கு மேலே போயிடுச்சு. ஸோ more than 10,000 is 18,000. Classify the data as so what are the items? Television. So television is more than 10,000 television. And then another item, next one is mobile phone. Mobile phone is 15,250. This also the more than 10,000. 10,000 ku mele adhigama irudala. You can write here mobile phone. And then LPG cylinder is rupees 975. So this is 900. 900 means 1000 ku keela da varum. So that is less than 10,000. That is equal to LPG cylinder. LPG cylinder. Okay. Then next one is wooden cot is 30,000. So this is more than 10,000. So now here is wooden cot. Next one is car. Car is 4 lakhs. Here more than 10,000. So you can write the car also in here. And then bicycle is rupees 5,250. So 10,000 ke less than 10,000. So you can write the bicycle here. Bicycle is 5,250 and pencil is rupees 115. So you can write the pencil. So more than 10,000, 10 ku mele all the numbers will come under this. And 10 less will come under this section. So in this you have to write. So for your homework is 10,001, 10,002, 10,003. So you can practice it so that easy only for your children. So your homework is you can write fill in the table. fill in the table from, you have to put the table from 10,001 to 10,100. Okay children, so you take your notebook and write down 10,001. So 10,000 நம்ம எழுதும்போது இதுதான் 10,000 எழுதுறோம். இப்போ 10,001 எழுதும்போது இந்த ஒரு ஜீரோ எடுத்துட்டு this is 10,001. Like that you can write 10,002, 10,003. 3 zeros வரணும் and then last ஒரு நம்பர் வரணும். ஓகேயா? 10,000க்கு 10, 1000க்கு 3 zeros. So like that you can write 10,004, 10,005. Then 10,006. Like that 10,007, 10,008, 10,009, 10,010. So 10,010 அப்படி வரும்போது இப்போ 10,000 இப்படி எழுதுறோம் இல்லையா? இப்போ 10,010 வரும்போது 10,110. Then 10,011, 10,012. Like this you have to write. Okay. So 10,000 அப்படியே எழுதும்போது till you will write 99. So from 1 to 100 if you write இல்லையா? அப்போ லாஸ்ட்டாக எழுதும்போது 10,010. So up to this இந்த மாதிரி எழுதணும். So after this lastல 10,091. So 10,092, 10,093, 10,094, 10,095. Like this you write the numbers 97, 98, 99. And after that at 10,099 after you can write 10,100. So 100 போடும்போது 10,100. Okay. So like this you can write up to homework is 10,001 to 10,100. You have to write children. Now we'll move on to the next page. Next one is skip counting by tens. In page number 26, skip counting by tens. Tens நீங்க skip பண்ணி விட்டு எழுதணும். Skip counting by tens. The same 10,000. So you have to write 10,010. Then 10,020, 10,030, 10,040, 10,050, 10,060, 10,070, 10,080, 10,090, and then 10,100. So 10s skip பண்ணும்போது 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So இங்க 100 எழுதும்போது one more zero you have to remove it. Then again 10,100 and 100 after 10,110, 10,120. So this also you can complete in your book itself. You are having this table children. So complete this table also in the book.